Alright, so the last task we caused one explosion to occur, but it was a little bit lackluster and anticlimactic because it's just one little explosion, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to actually cause a bunch of explosions, okay? So the way we're going to get that to happen is we can go to control and we can say repeat creating clone of myself 10 times, or we can do 15 times, however many explosions we want. We're going to put a little bit of a wait in between each one. Let's do wait 0.2 seconds. And when I start as clone, I'll go to, and so now the go to should be a bit more randomized, right? So let's go ahead and get a plus sign. So let's do the xpos plus a random number from -30 to +30. So not exactly on the bluebird, but around close to the bluebird. And then we're going to do the same thing for the ypos. Okay, so we're going to do ypos plus or minus 30. So now it's going to be somewhere around his body. And now we also want the size to be a little bit different. So I'm going to grab a set size and I'm going to do another random. And I'm going to random between, I don't know, maybe 40% and 100%. And I think that should be good to go. So let's go ahead and run this forever loop and see if it works. No, it does not work. Okay. I think it's because my bluebird level is not equal to 4. So I'm going to take that out and just put that right in there. Run that. No, that's not working. Whoa, 100 looks like it's a little bit too big. So let's do 80 on the top end. And yeah, I'm just not sure why this is not running. Well, anyhow, let's go ahead and run this from the beginning. And go through the entire game again, which is getting a little bit tiresome. But it is what it is. Ah, got me. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make sure that I have full power by setting my power variable to 5. Because this boss is actually kind of hard when you don't have full power. Get full power again. No. Get full power again. There we go. Excellent. So the explosions looked good. Okay, so the explosions look good, and now we want the body to glide off of the screen that way, right? And actually the explosions, they were going forever because we have this forever loop, right? Let's go ahead and put a stop this script right here after we repeat creating 15 clones. So stop this script. And then the bluebird body, we want to glide off of the screen. So how can we do that? I guess what we want to do is maybe we can have the same setup, and we could do forever if level is equal to 4. That's when we know that he is not with us anymore. Then what can we do? We can repeat until touching edge. Maybe we don't want to repeat until touching it. Maybe we just want to repeat. And let's do repeat 20 times. And we are going to change X by, change Y by. And we're going to wait a little bit between each. So let's do wait 0.1. And then after we're done with that, we are going to hide the guy. So right there, after we finish the repeat, we'll hide him. And this should look good. Let's go ahead and test it out. Oh my goodness, no, wrong way, wrong way. So let's do on the X -2. On the Y we will do -2. So let's bring them back to the center by going to motion. Go to this point here. We are going to show him again. And I am going to click on this to see if it works. No, that's not right. So the X needs to be +2. Let's do that again. That looks kind of weird with the weight, so let's not do the weight. Show him, click on this. Show him, click on this. So I think I need it to go a little bit more, and also I want to change this to -1 because I want him to go a little bit slower off of the screen. So it goes like that. Oh, I just don't know about that. Maybe I want it more, like to 70. So let's go ahead, come here. Okay, that looks better. What about if he's over here? Okay, that looks good. So let's go ahead and leave that right there, and I think we're done for now.